Some people say, whoever has the most data wins. But having a mountain of data means there's a mountain to climb, and spending hours sifting through all those numbers is no one's idea of winning. But what if there was a way to capture all that info, billions of data points from your operations and other operations around the world, and put it to work so you can make smarter decisions in the here and now? That's Corrigo Insights and Benchmarks. We capture and crunch all that data, shape it into powerful intel, and give you actionable info to make smart decisions, helping you better manage your facilities to add real dollars to your bottom line. We've combined decades of FM expertise with world-class software engineers and experienced data scientists to create business intelligence tools like dynamic dashboards and deep analysis that make your operations smarter. At its core, Corrigo Insights delivers financial info to control costs, metrics to see how vendors and technicians are performing, and asset intel to predict repair and replacement needs. Insights is the interactive tool you need to quickly drill down and get to the bottom of any issue. Corrigo Benchmarks goes a step further, dynamically comparing your data against thousands of Corrigo customers to see where you stack up. It's deep context that helps you make the right call time after time. Best of all, Corrigo Insights and Benchmarks are built around you. They're unique to you, your business, and your facilities. We help you identify what data is most crucial, extract it, and deliver it in a format that makes perfect sense. It's a self-service answer engine, putting you in complete control. Stop digging through mountains of data and start tapping into Corrigo Insights and Benchmarks. Intelligence that gives you real answers, real power, and real bottom line value.